Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel of Amazon. Today I discuss you about voltage stabilizer in India for AC, TV and refrigerator 2021. Except for the big metros like Mumbai, Delhi and so on, you experience voltage fluctuations almost everywhere in India. Almost every night you find the AC tripping up frequently. As you go deep into the summer months, the frequency of tripping increases manifold. The same is the case with your LED TV, fridge and washing machines. When you experience tripping, you also put your electrical appliances at great risk. The only way to avoid these tripping is to install a voltage stabilizer. Here are some voltage stabilizers that you can install in your house to protect these expensive gadgets. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, Microtech EM4160 plus 160 volts 285 volts digital display voltage stabilizer for AC up to 1.5 ton. Microtech is another reputed manufacturer of voltage stabilizers on the market. It is a wall-mountable voltage stabilizer capable of protecting AC units up to 1.5 tons. It comes with useful features such as auto start, low and high voltage cutoff and digital display. This voltage stabilizer works in a range of 160 volts to 285 volts. The advantage of this stabilizer is that it cuts off electricity supply if the input voltage is outside this range. The Microtech stabilizer can work as a step-up as well as a step-down stabilizer depending on the input voltage. The digital display comes with a 7-segment decimal display that shows input voltage entering the appliance from the main grid. On pressing the button, it will indicate the output voltage from the stabilizer. Microtech offers a 3-year on-site warranty for this voltage stabilizer. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, V-Guard VG500 voltage stabilizer for AC up to 2 ton 170 volts to 180 volts. If you have an AC unit with capacity more than 1.5 tons, you would not be able to use the 3 voltage stabilizers discussed above. You need to go in for a stabilizer with a higher energy limit. The V-Guard VG500 stabilizer is ideal for AC units up to 2 tons. This voltage stabilizer works in the specific voltage range of 170 volts to 270 volts. If the input voltage falls outside this range, the stabilizer will shut down automatically, thereby protecting your AC unit and the stabilizer as well. The VG500 stabilizer comes with a compact wall mounting design that makes it easy to install and safe to use. It is a cost-effective stabilizer that comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. This stabilizer comes with the ITDS Intelligent Time Delay system that protects your compressor from harm and enhances its lifespan. The HMC technology protects the appliances connected to it. The thermal overload protection feature is also a highlight of this voltage stabilizer. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, V-Guard VG400 voltage stabilizer. Here is another V-Guard voltage stabilizer, the VG400. This voltage stabilizer is ideal for AC units having capacity up to 1.5 tons only. Usually, you have copper windings in voltage stabilizers. This device comes with 100% aluminum windings. It comes with a wall mounting facility whereby it is a safe appliance. This voltage stabilizer does not have the electronic display units. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 2 on my list, V-Guard VDI400 voltage stabilizer. This V-Guard VDI400 stabilizer is the ideal one for a 1.5 ton air conditioning unit. This stabilizer comes with various useful features that not only protect your AC unit but also looks attractive and blends with your house interiors. Installing this voltage stabilizer is easy. All you have to do is to mount it on the wall and connect the AC wires to it. You connect this stabilizer to the mains current, whereby the current passes through this appliance to your AC. It acts as both a step-up and step-down voltage stabilizer. The intelligent time delay feature provides a proper balancing time for your AC compressor and protects it from frequent power outages and erratic voltage fluctuations. This stabilizer works within a specific range of voltage. It shuts down automatically if the input voltage is outside this specific range, thereby protecting your AC from low and high voltage. This stabilizer comes equipped with a thermal overload protection feature comprising of dedicated sensors to protect the stabilizer and the AC units from high temperature burnouts during overload conditions. This voltage stabilizer comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 1 on my list. WeGuard VWI 400 2850 watt AC stabilizer. WeGuard is a reputed manufacturer of voltage stabilizers in India. Air conditioners are the worst hit of all electrical appliances during voltage fluctuations. The compressor in the AC units can undergo damage if the input voltage fluctuates above or below the permissible range. This WeGuard stabilizer can work in the range of 130 volts to 280 volts with its maximum output voltage being 240 volts. The presence of the intelligent time delay system ensures that the compressor does not get damaged due to sudden voltage fluctuations. This voltage stabilizer is a safe one to use because it comes with both high and low voltage cutoff protection feature where the stabilizer stops functioning when the input voltage is outside the range of 130 volts to 280 volts. It is compatible with both the regular and inverter AC units. The wall mounting feature of this voltage stabilizer is an advantage as it does not come in contact with water, especially when you clean your house. It also allows you to keep this stabilizer out of reach of children. This 3-phase stabilizer has a digital indicator that indicates the output voltage. It is a long-lasting stabilizer as it comes with a manufacturer warranty of 3 years. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Thank you, have a nice day.